place is like a mansion, and it's right on the beach. It's right there. Crazy. We are going to do some ziplining. I mean, you're in Costa Rica, you got to do the ziplining, right?
Okay, somebody here? Anyone?
So that's the vehicle we're going to be taking, and it, I don't know if you can see this, but it's leaked quite a bit of fluid. Slightly concerning. It's a big pig.
Big pig.
Hey, piggy, what's you doing? Come this way.
Hey, Oinky, what you doing?
In high school, I had a friend who had a pet pig.
Pot-bellied pig, and it grew to be like this size.
Yeah, it was a big pig. Wasn't nearly as fat, though. This is an enormously fat pig.
Yeah.
Hey, piggy, what you doing? I can't even see your eyes because you're such a big oinky. Run for freedom. Run for freedom. Go. Okay, he's gonna be okay. All right, he's fine. All right, so we got a taster here. We got a float. I totally forget. I mean, we have a port. We have a 420 IPA, whatever that is. If this place actually does have good beer overall, everyone is very friendly here. But also, you know, just as a heads up, everybody seems to be pretty friendly in general, which is always a very nice thing. Oh, I did a white supremacist symbol just then. I should be ashamed of myself. Cheers.
Cheers.
That was very drinkable. Very drinkable.
Easy.
I'm looking forward to. Why don't you try your light one? Yours actually looks lighter than mine.
Oh yeah.
This is an IPA, I think. I like this IPA. It's good.
Now this is the one you might regard as a mistake here for the tropical climate.
Yeah, that's not a tropical beer. Look at how dark that thing is. It looks like coffee.
This is supposed to be it's supposed to have chocolate flavor.
Mike loves the novelty beers. I'm actually surprisingly picky when it comes to beer. But if there's watermelon and chicken broth and, you know, weed trimmings, he'll love it.
Okay, I draw a line at chicken broth, honestly. This is surprisingly light. It does not feel like it weighs me down like an oatmeal stout or anything. It's a contest between the first two.
What, now that it's 92 degrees and humid, you don't want to have a bunch of dark beer? It's a Papa John's food truck. The most average pizza in the world. We're leaving. So sad. I would love to come back here again. Jaco is a beautiful place. The black sand. I've never been to a black sand beach actually before, and that was amazing. I took a little bit with us back home. Hopefully I can get it through customs. Run for freedom! Run for freedom! Go! Okay, he's gonna be okay. Alright, he's fine.